Hello friends, I am Dr. Latika Verma, Professor of Psychology. I make videos, small videos related to psychological, personal and professional issues, and I do appreciate my viewers' advice, opinion regarding those issues. So today's topic is how well do we understand our children? Understanding our children is a very important thing. As a parent, we should understand our children, and it is a big challenge for us, and it is a constant procedure throughout our life. Attempt to understand our children facilitates the nurturing and upbringing of our child. Friends, long time ago, there was a different family structure, family system, that was joint family system. The head of the family was the father or grandfather, and he took all the decisions. He was the decision maker, and the rest of the family members, they just followed. And so the parenting system was also like that. Whatever decision the head of the family took, the nurturing, the guidance was according to that. But now things have changed. The family structure, the family dynamics has changed, and nowadays the parents take genuine interest, acute interest in their children's education and overall development. Friends, we parents, we all love our children. We love and care our children. There is no doubt. But loving and caring is a different issue. Understanding our child is a different issue. Friends, here I would like to share a story with you all. One day, a 19-year-old young boy who was pursuing his engineering degree said to his parents, "I don't want to continue my engineering course. I want to study psychology. I want to start my own business. I want to start my own company." Hearing this, the parents were very afraid. They were surprised, they were shocked and in a state of panic. Immediately, they rushed to their son. They tried to request, they tried to make him understand the value of a technical degree. And they requested and they assured him that after finishing his BE course, he is free to do whatever he wants to do, because by that time he will be more matured, more focused towards his career. The son was very adamant and very firm to his decision. But then after convincing the parents, the child, the boy, he agreed to the parents and he agreed to finish his engineering course. The parents were much relieved and they came back home. But still, there was something hitting their mind, and they were a bit nervous and worried about their son, because they thought that their son was very indecisive, confused, and he took life little too easy. So they were a bit nervous, but the son continued his study and he finished his BE course. After long 16 years, one day the child, he was on the right track and he was focused with his career. One day the parents found a diary which belonged to their son, and they were surprised and amazed to see the diary and read a page where his son 16 years ago wrote a page in which he made a flow chart of his career, year by year, minute by minute, what he is going to do, which year he is going to do what, and how will he manage to go to that height where he wanted to go. Friends, the parents were so surprised and they were so happy about their son that 16 years ago he had made a plan. He had of course told their parents, but he was at least he obeyed the parents and he finished his course, and after that he did what he wanted to do, and it was in a flow chart, and he managed to be there at that height where he wanted to do 16 years back. Even he took so many risks. He quit his his corporate job. It was a very successful corporate job, but still he quit, and he started his career with a scratch. He started his career with a scratch, I told you, and he took so many risks along this, and so many hurdles he faced throughout his way. But he reached the place where he really aspired to 16 years back. This was a pleasant surprise, and parents were so happy with their son that they thought that they thought that their son was very indecisive, but no, they were very wrong. They were really wrong, and they really did not understand their children. There was no ambiguity, no confusion, and no indecisiveness. They just thought that how I felt about my child, that the child is so indecisive, but he was so matured and so focused 16 years ago. Friends, this story is very close to our hearts. Many of us may feel like that. So what happens? Friends, the fact is we love our children so much that we never want to be to see them being misguided or being unfocused or losing their track and focus. So we are always be with his or her side. But the thing is that we should understand our children. We should understand that our children means we want the best for our children. We feel that our children should be at the top. All the parents, they feel like that for their children. But when the children, they start dreaming of something, if they want to do something new, if they want to do something extraordinary, if they want to do something innovative, we feel scared and we doubt them. So why this happens? Because this is not in our comfort zone. And this doubt and this fear is because that is a new dimension of love. Because we love them so much that we think that whatever they are thinking is not correct for their career. But we have to believe in them. We have to be very friendly with them in the sense that so that he or she, your children, they don't doubt their parents. Once we have faith in him, once we trust our children, he will be free to share each and every feelings. Friends, why do children hide something from us? Because they think that if we tell our parents about our new ideas, new innovations, they will feel scared and they will not allow us to do that. And it is very common, very natural also. So they hide. But they will not hide if we listen to them. We respect their decisions, we respect their feelings, their plans. Listening is a very important thing in a relationship. If we try to listen and understand, I think the child will be more close to you. There will be a close connect with the children. And when there is a close connect with the children will be, they will think that my parents are beside us, and wherever we'll fall, wherever we'll go wrong, my parents are always there to hold our hands. So this faith and this trust we have to achieve, and we have to have with our children. So friends, this is my feeling, and just think about that parents, the parent, the feelings, how much contented and how much happy they were when they saw the children, their son getting what he wanted to and achieved what he wanted to. 16 years back, and that means 16 constant years he was trying to achieve his goals. So friends, I think we have to connect with our children very much, so that they have full faith in us, so that he never hides something from us, and then I think our parenting will be more perfect, and if we understand our children. So friends, this is my idea, this is my thinking, and I would like to appreciate your opinion also. So please, write your opinion on the message box. I will be very happy, and if you give your own opinion, I think my effort will be more worthy and more fulfilling. Thank you so much.